Yes, very good morning, everyone. This is a crisp 1 or 2 minutes of video where I will going to share about why. What is one of the reason? I will tell you one of the reason here. This update which I have told yesterday morning 9:43 a.m. during market hours that Bank Nifty future 39,750 to 39,250 is a wide range for today where we can get big green and red candle in 5 minute time frame just to trap or attract retailers to take random trades. Okay, I will tell you the logic behind it. One of the logic behind it, which I personally look at in the charts. I have already marked 39,750 and 39,250, the black color line which you could see here on the top and bottom. Very important. I have got how I have got this level. Just simple. I have used previous days information chart information from the chart to understand it. That means if you precisely look at 39,750, what is the zone? Price morning trying to move up, clean up move which we are got on previous last trading session. After that, at this junction, if you look at this is the point from which there was a struggle from the sellers here. So sorry, struggle from the buyers there to push the price up. Okay, and later on, this is the same zone from which sellers tried to take control of the market and push the price almost below, not only below VWAP, but almost near the morning low. So this is a zone from which clearly this is a precise level from which sellers are trying to come into the market on the previous trading session. Yeah. Same on the downside if you closely look at this. The first two big red color candle which was coming in, and after that multiple series of wick formation. I believe everyone understand what is meant by wick in a candle continuous series of wick formation. After that, somewhere around 39, 230 or 240, there is a zone from which buyers clearly took control. From that point, there was not even a single candle allowed by the buyers to stop the up. Okay, so I have taken a level at round number of 39, 250. Precisely from that point, there's a non-stop move on towards upside. Despite after that zone, when price came to the same 39, 250 on the same trading session, there was some kind of a struggle from the participants. That means buyers were trying to come in from the lower level, which has made an overlapping fight. And then sellers pushed the price down, but again shooted up and started trading above 39 to 50 level. So there is some buying pressure is there. Buyers interest is there in that particular price level, which we got from morning, a confirmation here and a confirmation here. So that is the main reason where I have taken 39 to 50 to 39 750 the zone. And now, how can I tell that there will be a big green or big red color candle just to trap retailers? Look at closely. I somewhere told around 943. Yes, 940, 943. That means probably after almost 30 minutes, 6 candles. Okay, almost 30 minutes. 30 minutes by 9:45 market. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Somewhere here I have told it. If you could closely look at this, there is just coming in big green, big red color inside the zone, big green, big red color candle. That's it. Other than that, if you closely look, monitor somewhere around which I have told at this juncture, the volumes, forget about first two candles volume, okay? Because first 10-15 minutes there will be BTST, some traders will pay exit BTST or STBT kind of positional trades, so forget about first 10 minutes. After that, look at the volumes which were dropping. Just we are getting a wild green or wild red color candle, but understand without volumes which is dropping on every next candle, and it's a clear intimation that this is a market which is especially on current trading session. This is just to trap retail traders. And also yesterday's range, yesterday's day's range was not a small range, somewhere around 38,680 or 690 to 39,890, somewhere around 1,200 points range. The range is wider. So on the next trading session, we have got the zone of 39,750, 39,250, and only big green and red color candles are coming in. Other than that, nothing else. The volumes are dropping, and very obviously, traders who have looked at this green color candle and taken a buy side trade Just 10 minutes, their stop loss was wiped out. Post that, series of price was overlapping up, down. You could see price trying to come down, shooting back up, come down, shooting back up, triggering stop losses. Panic, panicking the retail traders, not major panic in the market, panicking the retail traders, pressurizing the retail traders by triggering their stop losses inside that zone. Okay.